Wishing you the best of happy new month. Welcome to the month of March. So, as we promised before, on the tutorials we're going to be giving you on how to operate this platform properly. So today I'm going to show you how to download the DataConnect app on your mobile phone, and this for an Android device. So let's begin. So before you can be able to install the app on your mobile device, all you have to do is go into this sidebar here, this menu bar. Go into this menu bar right here. So after going to the menu bar, the next thing to do is to click on this button right here, the install app. So when you do that, it's gonna ask you um because this is going to install your app via Google Drive. So it's gonna ask you which account to use for your Google Drive. You can just select any account you want and then you can click on OK. So when you do that, it tells you, do you want to? For me, I have the app already, so it just tells me, do you want to update this app? And I can tap update, and it's going to update it and install a new one. But since I have it, all I have to do is to go to my file, and here is the application. Here is the application right here. So you can just enter that, it's loading, and so this is the application. Yeah, so this is the application right here. This is the application right here. So that's how to install the app of DataConnect. Thank you.